Coach, a rough game for you offensively. Didn't create much, but you came away with the win. Talk us through that performance.
Well, last week we travel and we get 6, so this week last week we played poorly, so this week we come out, we have a game plan. We want to stay behind the ball and try to catch them on the counter, because this side they're very, if you know their coach, they're going to play very, very, very like sit back and try to counter us. So I think the two sides play the same game, but I think the guys there grind out a 1-0 win, and it was great.
And coach, goals have not been easy for you to get. How are you planning to fix that going forward? Getting your first goal of the tournament, getting 3 points today.
Well, I think the guys need to train more, and I think they're not coming to training and they're not carrying out instruction. That's the main problem I have with these youngsters. They're not listening. I think they're playing their own game.
Alright, I get that. Alright, coach. Congrats on the first win and all the best going forward, alright?
Alright, thank you.